Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan Blackwood with Commercial Integrator on behalf of HDBaseT. We are broadcasting live from the HDBaseT booth here at ISE 2020, and I'm very honored to be joined by Tzahi Madgar, the new president of HDBaseT Alliance. Congratulations on becoming the president of this great alliance.
Thank you. It's a great honor. I'm becoming the president of the leading standard in the professional AV market. And I hope that I will continue the great growth of our standard, our development into new market segments, the advancement of the standard, supporting new features and new capabilities in the audio video, and of course maintaining our interoperable ecosystem, which is our greatest strength.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, one of the things that I did want to talk to you about is that interoperability. Some people within the industry like to pit HDBaseT and AV over IP against each other, but that's not really the way that I think either organization sees it. How do you see these two standards coexisting and really working together?
So first, as a general comment, I would like to say that as a standard organization, our position or our let's say, place in the market is to advance competition, not to avoid it. So first, competition is a very positive thing. Specifically regarding AV over IP, I don't see it as a competing technology. I see it as a complementary technology that has a lot of room in the AV market for both HDBaseT and AV over IP. My perception of the ecosystem is of a hybrid ecosystem where there is use cases where AV over IP can bring a lot of value, but still HDBaseT is the king of the last mile uncompressed video. And this is what you can also see here at ISE on our booth. We are presenting Spec 3.0, Valence Stello chipset, which can support the delivery of HDMI 2.0, uncompressed 4K 60 444, and we are basically the only solution out there in the market, the only technology that really able to extend uncompressed 4K 60 to a distance of 100 meters.
Yeah, so Spec 3.0, that's obviously a big thing coming out of the show for HDBaseT, and I wanted to ask you about it. Obviously, you kind of mentioned what it does, but what will that really do for integrators that utilize this new standard?
Okay, so first, it's not a new standard, it's just a new spec of the standard.
Sure.
And for us, interoperability is a key element. When someone implements Stello as the implementer of Spec 3.0, basically they are able to support uncompressed 4K video. It will allow them to support Dolby Vision because it's not compressed. We are also supporting with the Spec 3.0 1 gig Ethernet, unlike the 100 meg Ethernet that we used to support in Spec 2.0. We are also supporting USB 2 for enhanced bandwidth. So we are really taking HDBaseT to the next level, maintaining our position as the leading standard for uncompressed video. And I think that above the technical benefits of implementing HDBaseT, you also enjoy the interoperability in the market. I think that something that is really unique and not trivial for HDBaseT is that we have a huge ecosystem where interoperability is implemented. We invest a lot of efforts to ensure interoperability. We have a certification program, and we are not only certifying all the products in the market, we are also making sure that all the certification-related information is accessible to the integrators and to the installers so they can access it on our website. We are also introducing this year a compliance table. That means that each product could have a QR code scanned by an integrator or an installer and promptly brings him to the web page of that specific product on our website, giving all the relevant information about the HDBaseT features and capabilities supported by this product. So it makes all the information very accessible to the installers. We are also investing a lot in the relations with the members of the Alliance. For example, we held in 2019 a very big plug fest in Japan. We tested over 40 products 4,000, if I'm not mistaken, different tests, and the success rate or the pass rate was over 99%.
Wow.
So it goes to show you that we really invest in making the ecosystem very accessible to the installers and giving them the flexibility and the ability to choose whatever product they need to use together with other products.
Yeah, and obviously a ton of great things for integrators coming out of that specification, and a very forward-thinking specification that it is. Speaking of, as president, you know, it's not just about what's happening right now, but what's going to be happening over the next 2, 3, 5 years and beyond. So what can integrators and the rest of the industry expect from HDBaseT with you kind of at the helm a little bit moving forward?
So I'm stepping into a huge position, and I'm following a very successful president himself. And my main ambition is to continue the growth and the success of the standard, both on the technological aspect. Stelo is just the beginning. It could be a very good base for supporting uncompressed, or at the beginning, 8K compressed with light compression, and later on uncompressed 8K. And also from the perspective of the ecosystem, continue and growing our technology, our standard into new segments of the market. We have already been relatively very successful in adjacent markets to the professional AV, like the educational market, where you see a growing need for more connected devices inside the classroom. We also made a lot of advancement in the medical field, where there is a very high demand for ultra high definition video delivered for different distances, and also for industrial and the machine vision markets, where you see a need for HDMI 2.0 and USB. So we are really able to support and grow our standard to these new markets. Another let's call it aim I have for the Alliance is to continue and have more and more members engaged and interacting with the Alliance. We have over 200 members already. All of them are commercializing over HDBaseT, introducing many new products into the market. Just the recent year, we had over 200 new products certified. And I want to see more and more members joining the Alliance, becoming contributor members, taking part in our working groups, and really steering the future of HDBaseT together with the market itself.
Yeah, well, over at Commercial Integrator, I know that we're very much looking forward to see what you do with HDBaseT and see the Alliance continue to grow as it has for years already. Tzahi, Madgar, new president of HDBaseT Alliance, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for your time.
All right, thank you.